And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a GPS tracker, and it's got a decent battery in this one. I'll just quickly flip around the box. Not much to look at on the outside, so let's open this thing up. And we've got what's it, a thank you inside. Cable, charging cable, I guess. Yep, okay. An Australian plug, which is handy. And we've got the tracker itself. What else have we got? Oh, we've got instructions down the bottom. Okay, let's get this out of the way. And as usual, we'll have a quick look to see. Oh, we've got a bit in here, it looks like, so we'll have a quick look through. And you can always pause it at any time and have a bit of a read if there's anything of interest. Now, this particular tracker, you need a SIM card for it, which I do have. So let's have a look. What have we got here? Okay, we've got to open that up. Okay, so charger goes now. We've got an on-off switch and SIM card. Okay, so I'll go pop this thing on charge and I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, I've had it on charge for a while and see what we can do. We have an on-off switch, so let's hit the switch. What happens? Anything? Oh, nothing? Yeah. Oh, yes, there is. There's a light on the bottom. It's gone green. And it's off again. I think I've got a bit of reading to do, which I haven't done yet. I should have done it while I was charging, but I haven't. And we got the SIM card, which slots in. I don't know which way it goes, so let's see what it goes that way. Okay, so that's in. And we got a blue light on the outside, so I believe I've got to put an app on and obviously activate the SIM card, which I'll get around to doing shortly. Once you've got the app set up, all you have to do is put your account details in and away you go. And it actually shows very accurately where you are at any point in time. So yes, it is real time and it does work. It shows you the speed that you're traveling. I used this obviously as a test and it found me at the destination where I actually put my caravan, and very, very accurate. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment if you'd like. I'll do my best to answer it. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.